Whoa, what is it, a fairy house? It's beautiful.
Hello? Hello?
What's happening in there? Is it a fairy house, Ida?
Look, there's something in the mailbox.
Look, Ida.
Look, there's something in your mailbox. Wow, that's beautiful.
It is gorgeous. Mail in the mailbox. Do you like your fairy house? Wow. Look at this.
What?
Over here. These come off. You can have tea. You can pull the teapot off too. Ooh, time for cupcakes. Wow.
Little butterflies on them too. And look, little strawberry. Oh my gosh.
This is incredible.
Look. Oh, handmade strawberries.
Wow.
You can pick strawberries on them.
Oh my goodness.